This is Don't Know Jack. I'm Jack and I don't know the first thing about concrete grinding. Luckily, I've got someone with me here who does. Let's get into it.
The application we're going to be doing today is concrete grinding, and we are going to use our cordless DGH 130 concrete grinder. To do that, we are also going to use our cordless dust extractor VC4 MX to help us with managing of the dust. The cup wheel we're going to use today is SPX Universal, which is one of the best cup wheels we offer, and it's a great combination of durability and performance. Now it's your turn.
First things to do is to set up the tool. And there you go. There you go. All right. So let's get PPE on and then I'll get the vac on and then we'll get going. We've got eyes on, we've got ears. My best look, I think. Vac on. On. Two-handed, I think. And then let's let the tool do the work, not too much pressure. Okay, let's turn that off. Bit of a sketchy start. All right, so that was my first cup wheel experience. David?
Well, I think you did pretty
What do you
okay.
think?
The concrete looks quite smooth now. Well, definitely much smoother than before. If you take a look here, you can see that here you were pushing too much. So you have done these like really deep cuts into concrete. That's not really the best way to do it. Usually the best way is to put a little force on your right hand when you're holding this and use this part of the tool only to guide. And then you have this nice and smooth concrete that you can see here, which is what you have done later on after you have fixed your grab a little bit of the tool. Solid 9 out of 10.
All right, thank you very much. I probably won't be going to a site near you anytime soon, but thanks for tuning in and we'll see you soon.